The Ahrefs domain rating is really just an indicator of the strength of a website's backlink portfolio. And it's mainly driven by backlinks. If you come in here, first of all, you got to have an Ahrefs account. So if you don't have an account, you'll have to get signed up. But once you do that, you can drop a website in here and click the search option here, and that's going to present this overview, and you'll see this DR rating. So this is the domain rating, and that is a pretty good indicator of how high this website is going to rank in the organic search results for a given keyword or set of keywords. And as I was saying before, it's driven primarily by backlinks, which there's some different things we can see down here to actually check or up here I should say, to check the backlinks. I don't know why I was looking down here, but there's 43 backlinks, but that's to this page specifically, and 27 referring domains. We could check the actual website itself by just removing the URL at the end. That's going to show us how many backlinks the actual website has, because it's checking the backlinks for the URL. And so there's 31,000 backlinks here on this website. And I'm just checking Phoenix Garage Door Repair on Google. And then coming down here, and I see that there is this A1 garage door service. And that is this first one that we're looking at here. And they're actually a franchise, I believe. So they have locations all over the United States, which means this page is just their Arizona location page. I think it's actually their Phoenix, Arizona page, which is why we were seeing that URL had some backlinks, but when we go to the actual web page here, there's a lot of backlinks, which is why this has a high domain rating of 63. I mean, relatively high, right? This is on a scale of 1 to 100, with 1 being the highest. So that would be like Google and Facebook. So they have tons of backlinks. And then, it goes down from there. But if we check the second highest ranked actual company here, if we skip Yelp and come to Arizona Garage Door and Repair, and we take a look at their website, they only have a domain rating of 15 and 2.3 thousand backlinks, whereas A1 Garage has 31,000 backlinks, right? So the domain rating is only a partial understanding of what's going on with the search, a website and its authority and how it's going to rank. But Google really likes niche specific websites. So if you have a website that is just focused on, for instance, Phoenix Garage Door Repair, like this website here, or even Arizona Garage Door Repair, versus a website that has tons of information about garage door repair in cities all over the country, you can still compete. Potentially this company could even outrank this company with a lower domain rating, but it being more relevant. So I say that just so that you understand that the domain rating is not an end-all be-all, right? Just because this website has a higher domain rating doesn't mean they're going to outrank every other website every time that has a lower domain rating, But it's a really good indication of some authority that a website has. And when although Google's talking about how they're putting less and less weight on backlinks when they're ranking websites, but nevertheless, it has traditionally been a big component of optimizing a website for search engines, traditionally known as SEO, and getting to a point where you're ranking like these websites here and generating some organic traffic and sales and all that good stuff. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of domain rating or anything of that nature, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade in one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours, and all for less than $50. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.